Hi, this is Karthikeya. Before I can start, I would like to thank senior faculty Shavali sir for giving this opportunity. So we'll be getting into the topic data mining. Firstly, we'll discuss about history of data mining, how it got started. It starts early data mining methods called class statistics, which is a Bayes theorem, regression, etc. And then to computer ages data mining, and today we can see a big data is the fastest growing technology. Nowadays, this data mining technique used by many MNCs organizations in order to get the data in a readable format. This technique usually collects data from different resources and also any kind of data and will be transforming into a user readable format. This uses software looks for available patterns from large chunks of data. There are different types of processes for data mining technique. Processes are data cleaning, data integration, data transformation, data mining, pattern evaluation, data presentation. Data mining technique can be called as a KDD process. KDD means knowledge discovery from data. Nowadays, the growth of data is increasing day by day. For example, data turns from terabytes to petabytes. So we are downing in data but starving for knowledge so that this technique help us to get the data in a proper format. KDD processes are data cleaning, data integration, data selection. Data cleaning. It is nothing but removal of noisy and irrelevant data from collection. Cleaning with data discrepancy detection and data transformation models. Data integration. It is defined as data from multiple sources combined in a common source, which is data warehouse. This will be done using data migration tools, data censoration tools, etc. Data selection. Data selection means defined as processes where data relevant to the analysis it is decided and required from data collectors using neural networks, decision trees, clustering, etc. On the remaining processes are data transformation, data mining, pattern evaluation, data presentation. Data transformation is a process of transforming data into appropriate form requiring by mining procedure. There are two types: data mapping, assigning a particular source to a correct destination, code generation, creation of actual transformation program, data mining, clever techniques that are applied to extract pattern potentially. In this third pattern evaluation, identifying strictly increasing patterns representing knowledge based on giving measures. Data presentation, presenting the collected raw data into proper user readable format. Here is a flowchart for KDD process. From here, the data from database flat files will be sending data to data warehouses. Then cleaning and integration will take place and then sending to data mining where selections transformation happens. Then to patrons, their evaluation or presentation then will be getting their knowledge. What kind of data? Data from databases, data from different resources, for example, servers, firewalls, log collectors, etc. and so on. Technique used. Data mining techniques. Classification, association, prediction, clustering, sequential patterns, decision trees. Classification. This technique helps us and using various distributes with different types of data. Once organizations identify the main characteristics of these data types, data handling, multimedia, text data, line series data, etc. Analyzing data using ML stats, etc. Association. This technique helps in creating rules and tell how often verify are occurred together. It indicates certain data are linked to other data or other events. It creates rules and tells how often events are occurred together. For example, when a customer buys computer or device, then 90% of time they will be buy softwares. Prediction. Here it combines other data mining techniques as well like clustering, classification, etc. Predictive analytics does not depend on these techniques. It can be also with more straightforward algorithms. Combination of other data mining techniques such as trends, clustering, classification, etc. It analyzes past events or instances in the right sequence to predict a future event. Clustering. These techniques help to identify similar kind of data, recognize difference and similarities between data. Similar data is grouped in the same cluster, similar to classification technique but involves grouping chunks of data together based on their similarities. Dissimilar is grouped in the same cluster. Regression. This technique has a relationship between variables and also help in predicting the range of values or a marketing numbers. For example, predicting the cost of a product or service and also predicting children's height based on their age, weight and height other factors. 40. Sequential patterns. Sequential patterns mining techniques means untelling sequential data to discover sequential patterns, finding statistically relevant patterns between data where the values are discovered in sequence. It comprises of finding interesting substitutions like length, occurrence frequency, etc. Decision trees. Supervised learning technique. It is a tree that helps us in decision making purposes. This tree creates classification or regression model as a tree structure. It separates a data set into smaller subsets and at the same time the decision tree is steadily developed. The final tree is a tree with the decision nodes and leaf nodes. Data mining in healthcare. It holds incredible potential for healthcare services due to the exponential growth in the number of electronic health records. Digitalization and innovation of new techniques reduce human efforts and make data easily assembled. For example, the computer keeps a massive amount of patient data with accuracy and it improves the quality of the whole data management system. Educational data mining. This technique uses multiple algorithms to improve educational results and explain educational procedures for further decision making. Behavior models depend on observable changes in the behavior of the student to determine the learning results. Learning essentially began in the classroom and was based on behavioral, psychological and constructive models. Tools for data mining. Oracle data mining, IBM SPSS Modeler, Rapid Miner, Apache Mohawk, Vika, KNIME, SSDIT, SQL Server Data Tools. Oracle data mining. Oracle data mining or short form ODM. A component of the Oracle database provides an powerful data mining algorithms that enables data analysis to discover insights and predictions. IBM SPSS Modeler. IBM SPS Modeler is a data mining and text analytics software application are used to leverage statistical data. Rapid Miner is a data science software platform that provides an integrated environment for data preparation, machine learning, deep learning, text mining, and predictive analytics. Apache Mohawk is a project of Apache Software Foundation and also focused primarily on linear algebra. Vika is a collection of machine learning algorithms for data mining tasks. The algorithms can either be applied directly to a data set from your own Java code. Vika contains tools for data pre-processing. KNIME stands for Context Information Miner is a free and open source data. It integrates various components for machine learning and data mining through it is a modular data. So here is the conclusion. The ultimate goal of data mining is the prediction of human behavior and is by far the most common business applications. However, this can easily be modulated to meet the objective of detection and deterrence of criminals. Data mining tools increase not only the speed of analysis but the depth of its approach. So these are the references. At last but not the least, I would like to thank Mr. Manjan Shawali sir for giving this opportunity to work upon on data mining project.